One thing that I know for sure, what goes up is definitely gonna come down. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And why do I know that? Because I'm a teacher, not a speaker. You know, on our daily walk, sometimes we're gonna fall down. You know, an object at rest stays in rest, an object in motion stays in motion, unless what? Acted on by an outside or unbalanced force. Once again, as we walk through life, eventually we're gonna fall down. We're gonna stumble, we're gonna trip up, but that's okay. It's cool if we fall. Let me actually even tell you a secret. When we fall, just fall forward. I gotta say that again. When we fall, just fall forward. That way, when you land, you're gonna be closer to your goal. You see, we're using a physical property of matter known as momentum. We're dealing with strength that gets gained through motion. And to actually calculate momentum, there's two things that we need. We need mass and we need velocity. So mass is a measure of the resistance of change, or we could say the amount of matter that's in a substance, and velocity deals with the speed of an object in a particular direction. So if I say 100 miles an hour, that's speed. 100 miles an hour northwest, that's velocity. So for us to calculate momentum, that strength that we gain through motion is gonna be mass times velocity. So as we fall through life, as we struggle, just know that when we do fall, we're gonna fall forward and we're gonna allow that momentum to push us even closer to our goal. You see, momentum, as I said earlier, it's strength that's gained through motion, and that motion, that object that's moving, is traveling at a speed and it's moving in a particular direction. So as long as we keep our eyes on our goals, keep our eyes on the prize, what we're trying to accomplish, even when we fall, we have momentum on our side to move us even closer to that goal. So when we talk about momentum, we're talking about focusing on what really matters. Where are we trying to go? What is the direction that we're trying to head? You see, what's going to happen is we will fall, and momentum is something as it pushes us forward. Sometimes it's just that little step that leads us just a little bit closer to our goal. That is what we need. That's our motivation. We just see a small percentage of growth. We just see just an ounce of light at the end of the tunnel. And that gives us enough energy, that allows us to muster up enough strength to go and do what we set out to do from the very beginning to reach our goals. So when we fall forward, control that fall, because we're moving with that mass. We're moving with whatever situation we're dealing with, whatever we're trying to accomplish, and we're moving at a speed in a particular direction. We're trying to reach the goal. We're trying to reach that finish line. When we fall, we fall down, you know what I'm saying? We got to get up, but as we fall, just fall in the direction of our goal, and we'll be that much closer. Now remember, I'm a teacher, not a speaker, and I want you to have an amazing day.